Good morning everyone. My name is Nihar Bade, studying in class 8C. Today I am telling you today's day and date. Today's day is today and today's date is 25th February 2025. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. Myself Anvit Vijay Kumar Lale from Standard 8C. Today I am here to tell you today's thought of the day. No one is born hating another person. People learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate they can be taught to love. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. I am Anushka Sharma in grade 6th.
This is Zero Discrimination from grade 6.
This is Anga Sujit Chogule from grade 6.
I am Madhvi Garwal from grade 6.
Zueria, what is a Zero Discrimination Day?
Zero Discrimination Day is observed on March 1st and promote equality before the law and in practices regardless of nationality, gender, age, ethnicity or belief.
Madhvi, why is it so important?
Discrimination affects millions of worldwide, hindering social progress and justice. Celebrating this day raises awareness and encourages more inclusive world.
Anushka, what are the different types of discrimination?
Racial discrimination, gender discrimination, age discrimination, disability discrimination, and religious discrimination.
Anga, what are the effects of discrimination?
It causes mental health issues, reduced opportunities, social isolations, conflicts and violence, and hindrance to development.
Zueria, how can we make a difference?
Speak out against discrimination, educate ourselves and others, support the marginalized, promote inclusive practice.
What can we do personally to promote Zero Discrimination Day?
Speak out against discrimination, promote inclusive practices, build empathy and understanding.
Support marginalized communities, challenge stereotypes and biases.
Encourage inclusive language, create safe space.
We at Shraddha Olympiad School.
Let's pledge today to stand against discrimination and be advocates of equality and justice for all.
At Shraddha Olympiad School, we celebrate diversity and ensure dignity for everyone.
Let us embrace diversity, promote acceptance,
And ensure dignity and respect for every individual. Thank you.